Hello, everybody. My name is Paul Canetti. I'm one of the founders and the CEO of MAZ. I'm already impressed that you are here instead of eating lunch. So I'm very, very happy. And now you all get up and you're like, oh, yeah, lunch. Anyway, so welcome to Sprocket and to MAZ. I'm going to tell you a few things about MAZ. What is MAZ? So we help brands, media brands in particular, become more social on mobile and tablet devices. So what do I mean here? Social media is obviously a really big part of digital content. But what's strange is that it's rather absent from apps, right? If you're on the internet and you want to share a link, you share the link. But in the app world, there is no link. So what do you share? And so we have something called Stream that can be built into any app across iOS or Android that suddenly makes your app infinitely more social and actually creates a little community within your users. We can also help you create a new app. So if you do not have an app, we actually build apps for you that have Stream built in. So what is Stream? Stream is something that over 1,000 apps use, or almost 1,000 apps, sorry, including some of these names that you might recognize, and hundreds more, ranging from brands like Forbes all the way down to local news networks, Birdwatching Weekly, and other sorts of publishers. So the way it works is this. It actually turns your community into its own little social network. This is a press release that Forbes put out in January when they implemented Stream into their app. And this is a little screenshot of what the Forbes Stream looks like. Basically, it's just like Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest or any of these networks, but it's localized to your app. And so here you can see what other people are sharing inside the Forbes app. And so you get a bunch of Forbes content. You can read it the way the editors intended, or you can read it through the eyes of the community. And this is what it looks like. Anything you see on the screen, you just take 2 fingers and you cut it out of the screen. It could be text, it could be an image, it could be a still from a video thumbnail, whatever it is. And then you can share it across any of these social media options. And actually, the circle goes all the way around. So we've got LinkedIn and Tumblr, Pinterest, Facebook, whatever. You can also email it, of course, or text it to your friends. And you can do this anywhere. So you don't need to wait for the share button. You just tap the screen, and it sort of magically works. And then you can see what everyone else is cutting out. And so you get a real-time feed of what the rest of the people using the app are sharing. You can also just keep track of your own clips, which is kind of cool. And each little clip is a link. So remember when I said that apps don't have links? They are links. It's just a picture instead of http:// blah, 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 right? And so this is basically a social layer built into every single app. We also collect a huge amount of data that we report back to our publishers and media partners, giving you some real insight into how people share, what they share, what compels them to share. We were founded by myself. I'm a designer, previously worked at Apple, and engineers from Adobe. That's supposed to be me in the blue shirt and the high tops. And that is our small robot baby named MAZ. And so we're over in the corner of the Sprocket booth. Come talk to us. We'll be here all week. Thank you.